Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to replace the hinge on your Thule Ascent 1700 cargo box. Now this procedure is fundamentally the same for all Thule boxes, and all that's needed is a small tube of synthetic grease, a rubber mallet, and a replacement Thule part. Here on our Thule Ascent 1700 box, this is a box that can be opened up from either side, and there are locks on both sides, but more importantly is that it's supported by a hinge way down on that end, and then conversely a hinge on this side. Our hinge is busted. Here's a spring piece that was inside of it. These cannot be repaired. You just order a replacement Thule, part number 15000056154. Buy them at your Thule dealer, and this is the new hinge. To remove the old hinge, really easy. You just make sure that you grab onto the lid properly so it's supported, and then just kind of twist and it pops out. It's just a little ball socket. Pop the bottom piece off the same way. Taking a rag, just clean off any of the dirt on the ball joints. And then to facilitate easier reinstallation, I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of synthetic grease onto the ball joints. And that just helps it slide on a little bit easier for reinstallation. Our new hinge, we're going to, this is the thin part that was on the top section. We're going to just butt it up against the ball joint, and then making sure that it's properly supported with your hand on the other side or with the aid of a helper. Take a mallet and give it a firm hit while supporting the back plate. Like that. Support the backside, like so. And if it's installed properly, it should move around freely, like this, but not pop out. Okay, so with the hinges installed, just test it to make sure that it closes. Right, so it closes evenly, and then when it opens, well supported. So as you guys could tell from this repair video, that replacing a broken hinge on your Thule cargo box just takes a few minutes to do, and can be done with just a little bit of lubricant, a rubber mallet, and your bare hands. If you guys found this video useful and informative, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.